And welcome to the most powerful online marketing and auto team building machine revolution. Greetings, Go founders or those to be. Where would you like, just ask yourself this question, where would you like to see yourself in the next 10 years? All the big dreamers, make your move right now, become one of the 1%ers. We welcome you to experience the unbelievable, the ultimate income opportunity that generates long-term residual payments which can continue for life, introducing for the first time a never seen before global marketing solution that is doing all the work for you. Once in, you're set. No recruiting, no auto ship, no commitments, no nothing. It's doing the work for you. That's it, guys. So here you go, experience autopilot everything. Have a look at this video, the videos that you get access to by clicking links underneath. There's more video information. I put the actual presentation video, the actual video presentation that I'm showing you here via screen sharing, also via a link underneath this video. So have a look at the videos after you've clicked the presentation link underneath this video. Have a look at the videos to get an insight of our extraordinary business approach. Step forward to experience the power of the internet and the concept of working online. Autopilot everything. You literally get everything done for you. You get one life, so make it worth it. Truly, this revolutionary system flips the success switch that can last for an entire lifetime and generations to follow. Infinite matrix, automated payments, automated traffic, automated massive spillover. So make your move right now and click those join buttons underneath this video or somewhere on this page. This breakthrough marketing solution promises to give you an upgraded marketing automation, guaranteed web traffic, instant earnings. Now that you've gone through the video, or once you've gone through the videos by clicking links underneath this video or somewhere on this page, I and we truly believe that you are facing some of the issues which Mr. Mufaro spoke about in the videos. Literally, just listen to his plea and his reasoning why he has literally created Go Founders and Onpassive. It will blow your socks off and it will blow your hair back and knock your socks off for the next 30 years. However, I also believe that you have understood his plan and strategy once you've seen the videos which he framed to help you constantly earn more and more and more. So here you go, still using the same. Just ask yourself. This is a rigorous honesty question. Ask yourself if you're still using the same old broken marketing methods. Change for the better. Take advantage of this new technology. A1 artificial intelligence technology, recruiting systems linked to big data. Watch the videos by clicking links underneath and secure your position in this pre-launch, still in the time limited pre-launch phase of Onpassive called Go Founders. So why give yourself an excuse? When you can be the change, you can either on the left hand side wait for the business to launch and then select a package that to become a founder if seats are available, or on the right hand side you can join right now, join today as a founder at a 90% discounted price for only $97 and be on the top, start belonging to the 1%ers. This is highly recommended. Choose the second option, please. When you accept the second option, choose wisely and make your smartest move. Make one of the smartest moves you've ever made in your life, and you'll be glad to have done so by witnessing real-time results. So click those buttons to claim your position right now. So here you go. Just experience the countless benefits of this global business platform, Mr. Ash Mufareh, and his more than 2 decades of working experience will help your business reach the unimaginable growth that you've always hoped and prayed for. Hundreds and thousands of dollars being invested to solve your financial problems and help you prosper in life. An extensive network of loyal resources and an aim to achieve the ultimate contribution to the making of GoFounders. Join us on our journey today. Registration is very simple. Just click links underneath when you need more information to still change your mind. If not, then click those fast start and registration links. This is very simple. Or click on the presentation link and you will end up on a form that you can simply fill up this basic form, choose a favorite mode of payment, and then be a founder. It's that simple. I also included a webinar link underneath this video. Click on that and play and see previous webinars, playbacks. So here's the form that you will get to see once you've clicked links underneath this video. And then when you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do so. We won't spam you. We'll send you appropriate video information about GoFounders and Onpassive and some other marvelous online opportunities that you're able to also promote with GoFounders and Onpassive. So you're able to use this team building artificial intelligence software also to guide people towards funnels, towards other income opportunities and businesses that you have running at this very moment. So this was the missing link. Literally, in our global team, there are real people who want to give you an honest hand and help you succeed. Get started now. To get more detailed information and inside information, you owe this to your family and yourself. Our system is your priority and your opportunity of a lifetime. It's been said that every person has only 2 real opportunities throughout their lives. If you passed one, this could be your last chance. Now don't miss out. Get started now. In minutes, you'll be glad you did. So please make a free-willed decision and get the appropriate information to fulfill your ego in order to just hit those fast lane, fast start, claim your position buttons. Here you go. I'll see you and yours definitely on one of our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, what else? Skype calls, Zoom calls. We'll continue promoting and granting this to other people. Do or die. That's it. This is really what is happening. Like GoFounders and Onpassive right now is being literally compared to the level of excellence of NASA, one of the world's biggest or the world's biggest space exploration organization. I've been there personally, and Ash and his team and his son, he's crazy about space, he's crazy about technology, he's crazy about putting everything on autopilot the way it has supposed to be, have done all along, ever since the introduction of the internet. So here you go. You have now found the solution to your problems, to create your teams, to build your business with artificial intelligence software on autopilot. Everything done for you. Once in, you're set. You will see your income grow. You will see your teams grow. You can use this platform to also guide people towards opportunities that you're representing right now, as well as it is 100% self-contained. Once again, as a call to action, click links underneath. Get back to the person that sent you this marvelous information. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It'll blow your hair back and knock your socks off for the next 30 years. Then also leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number so we can follow up with proper video information about the whole online automation revolution. You'll be surprised what is happening at this moment. Create passive income sources to the likes you've never ever have been made possible before. And then I'll see you and yours definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Thank you. Hit those thumbs up buttons, and when you see this on YouTube, somewhere at this level underneath this YouTube video, there's a little word spelled share. When you click on that, little social media icons will pop up and you're able to share this marvelous video on your own social media platforms, granting this opportunity to other people. I have to warn you, my links are underneath, so when you want to rip this video of my channel, put it on your own channel and put your own links underneath after you've registered, you're more than welcome. Do so. And then I'll see you on yours again in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Check you soon.